Now let us discuss the takeaways from chapter 2. So let's learn how to talk about hobbies in form of dialogue. Just for your understanding, I have kept the dialogue both in the informal and formal format. Let's go through the informal dialogue first and then the formal one. Was sind deine Hobbys? What are your hobbies? This is the informal way of asking, what are your hobbies? Ich lese gern Bücher. Gern means gladly. So that means to say I like reading books. The same thing, how do we ask in formal way? Was sind Ihre Hobbys? What are your hobbies in a formal way? Ich lese gern Bücher. I like reading books. That's the informal and formal way of asking about hobbies. Moving on. Spielst du Fußball? That is informal way of asking, do you play football? Nein, aber ich spiele gern Schach. No, but I like playing chess. Schach means chess. So how do we ask the same thing in formal way? Spielen Sie Fußball? Do you play football? Nein, aber ich spiele gern Schach. No, but I like playing chess. Moving on, let's now learn how to make appointments and also name some weekdays. Sich verabreden means to arrange an informal appointment. In fact, there is another verb which is called vereinbaren. That means to arrange an appointment, but a formal appointment. So let's continue with the dialogue. Wann hast du Zeit? When do you have time? Ich habe am Freitag Zeit. I have time on Friday. Treffen wir uns am Samstag? Shall we meet on Saturday? Ja, sehr gern. Yes, very gladly. Über Arbeit und Berufe sprechen. Arbeit means work. Berufe means profession. First off, was bist du von Beruf? What is your profession? Ich bin eine Lehrerin. I'm a teacher. Arbeitest du in einer Schule? Do you work in a school? Schule means school. Ja, ich arbeite in Leipzig. Yes, I work in Leipzig. Leipzig is a very beautiful city. So that's the way to talk about profession and work. Now let us talk about working hours. Über Arbeitszeiten sprechen. Wann arbeitest du? When do you work? Ich arbeite von Montag bis Freitag. I work from Monday to Friday. You can also say, ich arbeite von 9 bis 18. 9 to 6 in a day. Suppose you're working only on Mondays. You can say, ich arbeite am Montags. Suppose you're working only in summer. Then you can say, ich arbeite im Sommer. Moving on. Arbeitest du am Wochenende? Do you work on the weekend? Nein, ich habe frei. No, I have time off. So that's the way to talk about the working hours. Now let us frame some questions and reply statements using numbers from 20. Zahlen ab 20 nennen. Zahlen means numbers, ab means starting from, nennen means to name. Wie viele Schüler hast du? Wie viele means how many. Schüler hast du? Students do you have? How many students do you have? Wie viele Schüler hast du? Students who are studying 12th grade and below, for them we call Schüler. If it is a feminine, Schülerin. If the person is studying in a university that is about 12th grade, then the person is called Student. Ich habe 28 Schüler. I have 28 students. Sind es mehr als 20? Is it more than 20? Ja, es sind 28. Yes, it is 28. Now let us talk about seasons. Über Jahreszeiten sprechen. There are 4 seasons in Germany and all seasons are considered masculine. Starting with der Winter, that is the winter, der Frühling, that is the spring, der Sommer, that is the summer, and der Herbst, that is the fall. Welche Jahreszeit magst du? Which season do you like? Ich mag den Sommer. I like the summer. Ist der Winter kalt in Deutschland? Is winter cool in Germany? Ja, ist sehr kalt. Yes, it is very cold. Now let us learn how to create an online profile. Ein Profil im Internet erstellen. Erstellen means to create. Wie heißt du? What is your name? Ich heiße David. My name is David. Hast du ein Profilbild? Bild means picture. So here they're talking about the profile picture. Do you have a profile picture? Ja, ich lade es jetzt hoch. Hochladen. That's the verb used here. That means to say to upload. Yes, I'm uploading it now. Ja, ich lade es jetzt hoch. I upload it now. Jetzt means now.